In this particular case, I have got a meter measuring the actual loss that will be achieved during the splice. So we'll now break the fibre, insert a heat shrink sleeve, prepare the fibre end, 25mm strip, wiping clean with fingers to remove excess acrylite, rotating the fibre several times backwards and forwards, cleaning the glass so it's squeaky clean, aiming for 11mm cleave. Place the fibre in the machine without the fibre end touching anything and just shy of the centre. Prepare the second end. Cleave again, 11mm. Placing the fibre in the machine just shy of the middle. It is in auto mode, so it'll feed and splice provided cleave angles are good. We have the loss, slide and that can be compared up on the screen. We also have a full readout of all the parameters to do with bend, step, mode diameter mismatch. Let it go through a tension test. The order will be is the completion of the tension test. Slide the heat shrink into position, center, it's now going through its heat shrinking phase, and while that's occurring we can prepare a second fibre. Goes through the cooling phase, lift it out of here, put it into the cooling tray and continue working.